Now let us start if statements, that is decision control statements. Let's just take variable num is equal to 0, and if I write if -1 and 0, you have to write a colon, then press enter. So there should be 4 spaces, and after every command that is written will come under this if command. Okay, so here let me write print. Here I'm writing number is positive. I just remove that space. Now I'm writing here. I'll just write this line will always print. So you can see here I took the number 0 and the number will print. Let me change the number to -1. The number is positive because -1 and -1 will become 1 positive. So this line will print, and this will always print because it is out of this if condition. Let us take one example. Right, let me write num equals to 10. If num is greater than, just write 0. I'll write print, and I'll write here positive. I'll remove that space. I'll write that else. This colon again. I'll write print negative, and now here I'll write print. This line will always print. The number was 10 above 0, so this condition is met, so it printed positive. If I make it -10, the number is negative, and again the line outside this condition will always print. Let us take one more example. I'll write num equals to 10. I'll take if num greater than 0, I'll print positive. If num, if you want to check if something is equal, you'll use the assignment operator twice. Equal 0, then I'll write print 0. Here it is elif, ELIF, and write else, and I'll just run the code. The answer come out to be positive. When I make it 0, the answer will come 0. When I make it -1, it will come negative. Now nested if else statement. Num equals to 10. If num greater than equal to, let's write 0. If num equals 0, I'll write print 0. Else print positive, negative, and here the answer come out to be positive. In this particular example, let me take you to example 4. Here, if the number is greater than 0, it will enter this particular part. If it is 0, it will enter this particular part. If it is negative, it will enter this particular part. In nested if else statement, if the value is greater than or equal to 0, it will enter this whole part, and it will test. If it is 0, then the result will come out of it, or otherwise the result will come out of it. If I try 0, the answer will be 0. If I try -1, the answer will be negative.